Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a beautiful and different things about Christmas centerpieces. All the latest ideas in this video you will see. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and unique updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Have a nice day. Bye bye.